Hello, I am Naresh UC, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Davanagere. Today, in this session 36, I am going to deal with Modern Indian Literature in English, Paper 7. It is prescribed for BA Optional English 5th semester at Davanagere University. The name of the play, Silence the Court is in Session by Vijay Tendulkar. In the previous session, the session 35, we discussed about performance and self-expression in the play the Silence the Court is in Session, and the women's roles in society, middle class status, tradition and property, and guilt and innocence. These are the things we discussed in previous session. In this session, you are going to learn dramatic technique of the play Silence the Court is in Session, and you are going to equipped with the dramatic techniques. In this session, let us discuss the dramatic edge of the play, mock trial as a pastime device, prize of motherhood, not a prize of women. The mock trial becomes more than a game. The dramatic edge of the play. Vijay Tendulkar's plays are based on reality. The play is conceived as a game, and the idea that all that is happening on the stage is part mock and part earnest gives the play its theatrical edge. The idea of the game and include the essential ingredient of reversal. The texture of the play is built in a pattern of contrast. The play portrays the rehearsal of a play in an untidy old room of a small village by a theatre group. Due to the absence of a character, it is decided that Mr. Saman should play the role. The play is a game purposely played in which Leela Benare is on one side and on the other side all the remaining characters. Leela Benare is accused for the mock trial. They file a case against Leela Benare of infanticide. The play is an allusion of a grave social problem of unmarried motherhood and men's attitude to her. The illusion turns out to the real case with Leela Benare. Benare is a victim of male's carnal lust for flesh or body, victimized by her maternal uncle at the age of 15 and later by Professor Damle. Her faith in manhood is totally decreased and she resolves to give birth to the illegal child. No one is ready to accept her. She stands apart and is alienated by the society. The characters, including Mrs. Kashikar, deliberately torture her in the play's rehearsal. At the end of the play, Benare is sentenced to undertake an abortion. Mock trial as a pastime device. The play, interesting though unmarried motherhood is not accepted in the Indian society. The play flashes light on the incidents which have taken place in the past life of Leela Benare. The importance of motherhood during the mock trial in order to shame Benare for the false charge of infanticide. An attempt to keep women in line with their prescribed role in society. in the price of motherhood, not a price of a woman. Sukat mein, a lawyer in real life and in their mock trial claims that motherhood is a sacred thing, something like pure. That, quote, our culture enjoins us to the perpetual worship, unquote, of the mother figure. Kashikar, who plays the judge in the mock trial, recites a poem that says, Mother and the motherland both are even higher than heaven. The mock trial becomes more than a game. The game is carried too far and is becoming more personal. The scene, by protesting against the incident conduct of our colleagues, the door latch gets stuck up and Benare is like a trapped animal. A game has evolved into a hunt. Benare is the quarry and the group becomes the accuser and judge rolled into one. A savage sentence on her that the illegitimate infant in her womb must be destroyed and she must be dismissed from her teaching job. Thank you.